Okay, we're going to add a app to your Facebook page for your local directory. And first thing you should do is do a search for Facebook developers. You'll be brought to this page right here. It's usually the second link. It's Facebook developers. And you need to be logged into your profile page, your Facebook profile page, in order to see this. Go to your apps, create new app. Give your app a name. So let's do display name. Let's put here it's whatever you want your app to be named. Namespace is optional. You should choose a category. Apps for pages. Create app. You'll get a CAPTCHA key. Enter the CAPTCHA key. It is case sensitive. Take a note of that. And if you can't read the CAPTCHA key, just hit this try another text and it'll refresh it. This seems to be working. Okay, so this is your dashboard. This is the name of the app, Miami app, and this is your app ID. Now what we need to do is go to settings. Your display name, which is your app name, is already there. Namespace, all lowercase. No spaces. If it's 2 words, you need to use an underscore. The app domain is the domain of the directory without any HTTP. In this case, we're going to put it under localmiamiguide.com. In other words, no HTTP and no / at the end, just the name of the domain. Put an email address that you'd like to use. And then here, Facebook is very picky, so if you click on Save Changes, you might get a red triangle, which means that there's a problem. So it's telling me here that this namespace is already used by some other app. Okay, so we're going to give it another name. Oh, still used by some other name. Okay. Let's just use Miami then. Okay, length must be greater than 7. All right. So let's do this one worked here. Now notice that I mentioned that Facebook was very picky. You're getting a red triangle here. Don't worry about that right now. What I want you to do is to click on Add Platform, Facebook Canvas. Your Canvas URL is the URL to your directory portal with HTTP on it. And this one doesn't need to have a /. And your secure Canvas, HTTPS. You need a SSL certificate for this to work. Remember that. Now, if I click Save Changes, you notice that it's saving the changes and this red triangle went away. Because you can be stuck here not knowing what to do. Just proceed on to adding a Facebook Canvas and add these links down here. Very important. HTTP, directory portal domain name, HTTPS, directory portal domain name. Now we're going to click on Add Platform. We're going to create a page tab. And the page tab name is basically whatever name you want to give to your tab. Let's just use Miami directory. Page tab URL. Your directory URL. Your secure page tab URL. HTTPS, and the page tab edit URL, same as above. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to click Save Changes. Everything looks good. Now, I want you to take and copy this app ID and go to your dashboard on your theme. Go to Appearance and go to Editor. Select your main parent theme, not your child theme, but the main theme, which would be Canvas. Select that. And then look for footer.php. Footer.php. And scroll down until you come to the Facebook script. This area right here. And you need to put in the app ID from here. Copy this and paste it in between these two quotes. Update. My connection is a bit slow today. Once that updates, go to back to your developers app page. Scroll to the bottom and click on Page tab Image to edit. Choose a file. Now the file must be 111 by 74 pixels, 1 megabyte limit in size. I have, you can do a search on Google for images and select a specific size, 111 by 74, and you'll get a bunch of images that you can use. Click Open. Click on Save Changes. Now go back to your directory download, your portal directory, and there's a script here, add page script.txt. You need to put your app ID in between the quotes here. I actually have my app ID already in there because this is the one I'm using. You need to paste your app ID in here. Make sure that it's between the equal sign and the and. And then after the equal sign here, you need to paste your URL for your local directory portal, as is right here. Once you open the file up, select all the text, copy it, go back to your paste that whole text in your browser, hit enter, select your Facebook page that you want that tab to appear on. In this case, we're going to select let's use this one right here. Click Add Page tab. Okay. Go to the site, to your Facebook page. In this case, it's sorry. We'll do facebook.com. Oh, what's going on here? Okay. Here's my page. Here's the what I need to do is click more, local Miami guide. And there is the portal within Facebook. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.